Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 10, subject mathematics, chapter name circle, exercise 8.4, lecture 1. Today's lesson, we explain some theorems on exercise 8.4. Theorem number 1, two tangents are drawn from an external point P to the circle with center O. Prove that OP is the perpendicular bisector of the chord through the touch points. Touch points mean through the point of contact. That's mean a tangent touch a circle at a point. As for example, here PA is a tangent touch at A. This is touch, not cut. Touch means passes only one point. Okay? And A is called the point of contact or touch point. Okay? Here also be another touch point or point of contact. And the line joining A and B, this is AB. This is the chord of the circle. We have to prove that OP is a perpendicular bisector of the chord AB passes through the point of contact or touch point. That's mean A and B. Okay, that's mean perpendicular bisector mean angle will be 90 degree. That's mean this angle or this angle or this angle or this angle will be 90 degree. And also we have to show AC equal to BC because perpendicular bisector mean divides two equal part. Clear? Now particular enunciation explanation just here PA and PB are drawn from an external point P to the circle with center O, which touch the circle at the point A and B respectively. AB is the chord found by joining the point A and B. Let us join PO. Okay? The straight line OP intersect AB at C. It is required to prove that OP is the perpendicular bisector of the chord AB. Okay? Construction. Let us join OA and OB. Okay? Now prove. PA and PB are two tangents from the external point P to the circle. Therefore, we know PA equal to PB. That's mean length of tangent of same circle. Okay, are equal from an external point. That's mean PA equal to PB. P and PB both are tangent of same circle and from a same point. That's mean from point P. Here PA and PB are two tangent. So PA equal to PB. We had already proved this theorem. Okay. Now from triangle OAP and OBP, OA equal to OB. Both are radii of same circle. As both are radii of same circle, so they are equal. And also PA this equal to PB and OP equal to OP. This is a common side. So this is a SSS theorem. As a result, we can say triangle OAP and triangle OBP are congruent. That's mean this. Therefore, we can say EOP this equal to BOP. If two triangles are congruent, we can say others all conditions are equal. Clear? But AOP and AOC same, because this is a same straight line. Also BOP and BOC same, because OC and OP same straight line. This is equation number 1. Again, in triangle OAC, that's mean this triangle, and also OBC, OA equal to OB. Clear? OC common, OA and OB equal because both are radius of same circle, and OC common side of these two triangle. And also we have got angle AOC, that's mean this angle and this angle are equal. Okay, as equal, so this is SSA theorem, that's mean two sides and one angle are equal, so these two triangle are congruent. That's mean this triangle and this triangle are congruent. So we can say AC equal to BC. As these two triangle are congruent, so others condition will be equal. Clear? That's mean AC equal to BC. One condition is proved. Now we have to prove this angle and this angle are equal and 90 degree. Okay? And angle ACO, this equal to angle BCO. That's mean this angle equal. We had already proved, also proved AC equal to BC. Now we have to prove ACO and BCO, this is a right angle, because we have to prove OP is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means this angle and this angle will be 90 degree. So we'll prove now ACO and BCO equal to 90 degree. Then proof is complete. Follow here ACO and BCO. Sum of these two angle, this equal to this, that's mean one straight angle. One straight angle mean two right angles. Follow. ACO plus BCO, this equal to two right angles. As ACO and BCO are equal, so we can convert any one of this. That's mean angle ACO plus angle ACO, this equal to two right angles, because this and this are equal. This equal to, will write 2 into angle ACO, here also two right angles, both side 2 to cut, therefore angle ACO, this equal to one right angle. As ACO and BCO are equal, so we can say ACO, this equal to angle BCO, this equal to one right angle. Okay, that's mean this angle are right angle. Clear? Now we can say OP perpendicular AB, because this angle and this angle 90 degree or right angle. This is equation number 3. And 2 number was AC equal to BC, that's mean this equal to this. 3 number OP perpendicular AB, this and this equal, and OP perpendicular AB, so and also this angle and this angle 90 degrees, so we can say OP is perpendicular bisector of AB. So proof is complete. Very easy proof. Okay, follow this, you can solve 5 number in your book, exercise 8.4. okay, that's mean 3 number and before theorem same, and P equal to PB you had already proved, main theorem. Just you will write like as assignment. Now follow another problem, that's mean theorem number 6. Given O is the center of the circle and two tangents PA and PB touch the circle at the point A and B respectively, prove that PO is the bisector of angle APB. Clear? PO is the bisector of angle APB. Here P and PB are two tangent which starts the circle at the point A and B. So A and B are the point of contact. Join OP. It is required to prove that PO is the bisector of angle APB. That's mean particular assertion. Same. To tangent to the circle at the point A and B. Join PO, then AO, then BO. Okay, it is required to prove that PO is the bisector of angle APB. That's mean angle APO and BPO are equal. We have to prove. Clear? Prove P and PB are two tangent from the external point P to the circle. Therefore, we can say P equal to PB. Okay. Now in triangle OAP and triangle OBP, PA equal to PB, OA equal to OB, and OP is a common side. Clear? Therefore, this is a SSS theorem. So this and this are congruent. Therefore, triangle OAP congruent to triangle OBP. So others condition will be equal. So we can say APO, this equal to angle BPO. That's mean AOP, this equal to BOP. Sorry, here will be APO, not AOP, and here BPO, not BOP. Okay, here will be APO and here BPO. So we can say OP is the perpendicular, sorry, OP is the bisector. Bisector means divides two equal part of angle APB. Hence proved. Okay, and follow this, you will try to finish the other problem. Okay, and everybody will write properly in a copy like as assignment and submit the soft copy in the group. Okay, date of submission 25/4/2021, time 11 AM. So today up to this, thank you to all everyone. Goodbye.